from Columbus.
Hi everybody, I went to Trader Joe's again. Bought some stuff today at Trader Joe's. Look at these beautiful yellow roses I picked up. Very nice. Bought some basil. I have some plants outside, but they're not big enough yet, so I have this. Organic basil. Also bought some Trader Joe's jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese. Looks pretty good. I bought this Mexican beer to try. It wasn't expensive. Three of those. I don't think I've seen it there. I saw it today, so I grabbed 3 of them. I haven't tried this either, but this is a bottle of coffee. And organic strawberry Pop-Tarts. I've had these. These are very good. Very good. I have never seen it before. It says coconut sap, water, and sea salt, and you use it like tamari or soy sauce. So, I don't know. I thought I'd try it. Where did I say that was from? That's from Sri Lanka? Yeah, product of Sri Lanka, boys. Applesauce. Beautiful. Oh, applesauce. I like this Trader Joe's unsweetened applesauce, and it's only $2.99 for a jar, and it's actually cheaper than the other stores. So sometimes you can get great bargains at Trader Joe's. Before either, but I thought I would try it. Green Dragon hot sauce, boys. There's some carrot juice. Gotta put this in the fridge. Carrot juice. Kefir milk. This is strawberry. Strawberry beverage. I have not tried this. Looks good. 60 calories. Banana pudding ice cream. Oatmeal. Oatmeals. Strawberry yogurt cereal. Got some good mushrooms. There too. And shiitake mushroom and tomatoes. Should be good, right? Tomato sauce. 2 of those. Those are good. Crushed, fire roasted bananas. Tomato paste. Unfiltered honey. Hi everybody, look at my beautiful pot roast dinner. Made it myself. I want to thank you so much for dining with me.